It appears that NIO is up nearly 9%. That's $34 at the end of today's trading day. That is insane. It is huge. The gains are just unbelievable. Is there a reason? Yes, there's a very simple reason, and it's called catalysts. This stock has so many catalysts that it's hard to take it down. Now, today I'm going to be explaining to you exactly why this stock is trending upwards so hard, what we expect out of it, and the brand spanking new updates that were just released when we thought that it couldn't get any better for NIO Stock. And we're going to be starting right now. Hey, what's going on? It's Pat from Top Ticker Trades. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow your wealth through investing and trading stocks in the market, make sure you start right now by subscribing and tapping that bell so you never miss a thing. I'll see you in the video. Let's go. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another NIO video. Today we're going to be talking about NIO, obviously. And I do want to point out that this is my second upload of the day. Specifically, this is my second NIO video for the day. Now, I enjoy bringing you this information, especially about stocks like NIO, because it's a wonderful stock, and I think we all know where it's going and why. But it's always good to have the details and just to kind of, be reassured that you are putting your money into a good investment. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I do want to ask a favor of you. I want to ask that you guys smash that thumbs up button because it helps me stay motivated. And, these videos do take a lot of time to produce. They take a lot of time to edit. They take a lot of time to research. So go ahead and smash that like button for me. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. So with all of the benefits of owning EVs over your traditional ICE vehicles, it's kind of hard to imagine that anyone would still prefer to buy ICE vehicles over an electric vehicle. So what's the problem? Well, it seems that in all of the hype and excitement over going electric, you and I have overlooked one simple factor. And this is perhaps the single largest factor and deterrent for a lot of people when it comes to buying an EV or an electric vehicle. So what is that factor? You may be wondering, and it's none other than the range. So range anxiety, as it has been dubbed, is the most important factor preventing many people from buying an all-electric vehicle. And as investors or even traders, we're pretty much just bystanders. So it's easy for bystanders like you and I to overlook or forget factors like this one. But NIO founder William Lee Bin has been putting in the work. Essentially, he's been putting in the work to make sure that factors like this one are non-existent. You see, Bin has thought of it all and recently announced that NIO is currently working on a 150 kilowatt battery pack that will give the EVs a range of more than 900 kilometers. But what exactly does this mean for NIO? Well, I'm glad you asked. This means that even compared to fuel-efficient Japanese hybrids, NIO will be able to get more mileage from just one battery cell than these hybrids can get from an entire tank of gas, if the 150 kilowatt battery pack is put into good use. So it would effectively mean or equal more than double of an ES6's range of 430 kilometers. So currently NIO is offering 70 kilowatt and 84 kilowatt battery packs, but it is expected to start offering 100 kilowatt battery packs at the end of November, which would translate into further increasing NIO's max range. So earlier this month, NIO announced that it will hold the NIO Day 2020 on January 9th, which is when its first sedan is likely to be unveiled. It's expected that the 150 kilowatt battery will then also be unveiled at this event, as it represents a truly significant development for NIO. But do you want more good news? How about the fact that NIO has already set up an overseas business unit in a bid to start selling products in European markets as early as 2021? It appears that NIO is working under a project that it dubbed Marco Polo, in which it has allocated many staff members for its export business unit, aiming to sell 7,000 ES8s and ES6 SUVs in Europe within the next 2 years. So ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, there's no lack of catalysts for NIO stock. And I mean, we're expecting several more, but it's like all these catalysts, ones that we're not even expecting, keep popping out of nowhere. And I would expect to see more things like this keep going on. And specifically, I'm talking about I expect to see more catalysts popping out of nowhere. But that does not mean that you should just chase the stock and buy it at any price point. You always want to be prepared, have some money put to the side in case it falls lower, and we're hoping that it does because, you know, it's had quite the run up. But let me explain this to you. If you're planning on buying for short term, then, you know, you shouldn't be buying in at these price levels. If you're trading this, whether it's, you know, swing trading or whatever the case may be, don't expect the price to just keep shooting up or going up in a straight line, okay? It doesn't work that way. Now, I'm not saying that the price action will not continue in an upwards movement before, you know, or without taking any downturns anytime soon, but you should always expect that it will fall a little bit after going up, and that's just healthy price movement. Now, the chart for NIO is pretty predictable, I would say. But if you look at NIO's trading history, then you already know that sometimes NIO will trade sideways for a little while and then shoot back up. So, you know, find out where that consolidation point is. It should be coming up soon. I would expect it to, at least. And take advantage then, because you know from there it's going up another leg. As far as just jumping in blindly, I would not recommend it. But if you're buying for the long term, then these price levels do not matter right now. You know, anything is a good entry at this point if you're holding for the years to come. But I still wouldn't recommend throwing all your money in there at once. You know, whatever you're planning on spending or allocating towards NIO, what you should do is only spend a portion of it. And each time that the stock has a down day, that's when I would put another portion towards it. That's when I would actually start buying in more and more. That's what my plan would be, but you guys, you know, you're free to make your own decisions. But that was my report on NIO. I hope you guys enjoyed the information. I hope you guys don't forget to show me some love and smash that thumbs up button. I need you guys. Do that for me. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already, because I'm telling you, I'm going to be bringing you some quality content every single day. We're fixing to start double uploads on a consistent basis. I want to see all of you guys here. I want to help you guys. I want you guys to be able to make money with me. And really, that's about all I got to say about that. And I think you guys should agree. So smash that like button, subscribe if you're not a subscriber already, and I will see you guys in the next video. But before you go, make sure you check this out. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen, you've made it to the end of the video. If you found this video helpful, I ask that you help this channel out by smashing that like button, as it motivates me to keep making videos just like this one every single day. If you're not a subscriber, you should consider subscribing, as I publish valuable content like this daily. You can do so from your screen right now, and if you want to check out more of my videos, you can click on the video that you'd like to see on your screen right now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.